Hello viewers, in this video I will show you how to fix camera error cannot connect to the camera. If you want to solve this problem, please follow the step. Step 1. Open your phone setting. Scroll down. Tap on apps. Tap on manage apps. Search camera application. Tap on camera application. Tap on storage. Again tap on clear data. Tap on clear cache data. Again tap on apps permission. Allowed all apps permission. Step 3. Restart your device. Step 4. Open your camera application. You can follow all of the steps to fix camera error cannot connect to the camera. If this video helpful for you, please subscribe our channel and like this video.